Hello folks, today we're doing a siding inspection to see the integrity of this cedar siding. Cedar siding is not something that we actually see much anymore, and I'm going to show you why. You see how it's cracking like this? You know, it's all the way through. You know, we've tried to pick up some of our knots that fell out. Now this it looks like it could be not just cedar pine. We used a lot of pine back in them days. And this stuff is not even, some of this is not even 3/4 of an inch thick. It's 5/8. Look here how it's buckled up right here. This is what happens now. That's part of this is because it hasn't been sealed. But even if it gets sealed regularly, it still pops out. The knot holes and stuff still pop out. See that right up there? They tried to patch that, you know, and you can see where they've tried to put some new pieces in to take care of it, but it's just disintegrating. You know, this is what you're looking for, and this is going to probably need a whole brand new siding throughout. There's no salvaging this. See my knot holes here? These are knot holes that just literally fell out, and they've tried to fill them in. Now we're coming around over here because now we're all the way down to the sheathing. You see where the guys didn't even put any kind of paper or any kind of sealant between the siding and my plywood sheathing. This is a big mistake. I probably got deterioration inside of the wall. See, I got rusted nails, hey, you know. So look at here, and it just keeps on going here. This is really bad over here. So they use foam board over here. This is telling me we're probably a early 80s home, maybe late 70s, but that's one of the reasons is because the foam, it's been exposed so long it's actually turned color. But part of the reason I know the age is because we don't use the foam board like that anymore. Well folks, I hope this has been enjoyable. I hope that you've learned something from it, and if you ever have any questions, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We're here to make sure the job's done right, you're not getting ripped off, and you're getting what you paid for. Thank you folks. Have a great day. Galloway Building Services.